Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a timeline to Wix. A timeline isn't just decoration, it's a storytelling tool. Whether you're showing a company journey, project milestones, or a personal story, a timeline helps users understand progression over time in a clean, visual way. Start by opening your Wix editor. This is where you design and manage your site layout. From the left-hand panel, click on Add Apps. What this section is. This is Wix's app marketplace integration. It allows you to add extra features, extend your site's functionality, install third-party tools. Once inside, use the search bar and type Timeline. You'll now see a list of apps that provide timeline features. Choosing the right app. Not all timeline apps are the same. Look for one that fits your needs. Clean design, good reviews, features you actually need. Select the one that looks most suitable and click on it. Now you'll see details about the app. Take a moment to review its features, check ratings, understand pricing. Then click Add to Site. What happens next? A prompt will appear with permissions or agreements. Click Agree and Add. What this means, you're installing the app into your site. This gives the app access to display content, permission to integrate with your site. After installation, the timeline element is added to your site, but you might notice something important. Important step. Most people miss this. Some timeline apps require activation or subscription. On your dashboard, you may see a prompt to sign up, a free trial option. Until you complete this, the timeline may not fully appear or function. Once you complete the sign up or free trial, go back to your Wix editor. Now the timeline should appear properly on your page. Now customize your timeline. Click on the timeline element to edit it. You can usually add events or milestones, change dates and descriptions, customize layout and design, adjust colors and fonts. What you just did, big picture. You installed a timeline app, activated it, added it to your site, began customizing it. You added a structured way to present information over time. Important clarifications. This is not a built-in Wix feature. It's app-based, so functionality depends on the app. Some features may require payment. To summarize, adding a timeline to a Wix website involves opening the Wix editor, navigating to the Add App section, and searching for a timeline app in the Wix app market. After selecting a suitable app, you review its details, add it to your site, and accept the required permissions. In many cases, the app requires activation through a free trial or subscription before it becomes fully functional. Once activated, the timeline appears in your editor, where you can customize it by adding events, adjusting layout, and modifying design elements. While the process is straightforward, the effectiveness of the timeline depends on choosing the right app and organizing your content clearly. When used properly, a timeline becomes a powerful visual tool for presenting chronological information in an engaging and easy-to-understand format. And that's how to add a timeline to your Wix site. It's simple, but don't treat it like a plug-and-play feature. The real value comes from how you structure the story you're telling. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.